economic cycle moves from extreme contraction to over expansion. This is the same way in which equity market moves from extreme undervaluation to over exuberant valuations. The economy and equity markets behave like a pendulum. They swing from one extreme to another, and that is why different commodities like steel, cement, etc. all moves in cycles. And also do most agricultural commodities. So likewise, an interest rate cycle which runs according to how inflation works. And that's why asset allocation has to be done while investing it. Most of us, maybe more than 90% of the people, invest only in one class of asset. Do you know that? Or maybe two maximum. Which two class?
Fixed deposit and gold. Gold and real estate.
Do you think real estate in gold?
Gold and bank.
Gold and bank. Bank is one small portion, but all debt. Not only bank fixed deposit, there are postal deposits, there are LIC. Big chunk of money is going there. So all debt instrument and gold. Right? Very safe, guaranteed. But do you think that this will serve the purpose in whole life? No. And most of the people believe that way. I would like to share one story of a person who has visited to my office. We'll give his name as Rajesh. राजेश एक दिन मेरे ऑफिस में आया. His age is 42 years old. पता है कि 23 साल में मैंने करियर मेरा चालू किया, बट अभी 42 की एज में ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई मिस समथिंग. मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक की है लाइफ में, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. अब मुझे बताओ कि क्या मिस्टेक है मेरी. मैरिज किया वो मिस्टेक है. आप शादी नहीं करने वाले हो. गुड यार. वो मैंने हैप्पी पर्सन का बात नहीं किया. इन दिस 20 years पीरियड जैसे जनरल पब्लिक करती है ऐसे ही उसने किया. पिताजी ने बोला एक पीपीएफ अकाउंट खोल दे. एक पीपीएफ अकाउंट खोल दिया और हर साल 1 लाख रुपया हर साल वहां डिपॉजिट करने लगे. पिताजी ने बताया तो LIC कर ले. तो धीरे धीरे करके LIC लेना चालू किया और 20 सालों में कुछ 20 लाख कवर करने की LIC और प्रीमियम उनका 1,20,000 रुपया. बाकी तो जो पैसा कमाता था वो खर्चा करता. एंड स्मॉल पोर्शन इन बैंक फिक्स डिपॉजिट जिनकी वैल्यू एज ऑफ टुडे 5 लाख रुपये. अभी 20 साल के बाद जब ये पिक्चर सामने आया तो व्हाट वाज दैट. पीपीएफ में 8% से ग्रो करके 42 लाख हो गया. 5 लाख का फिक्स डिपॉजिट. दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली तो यहाँ में उसने क्या मिस्टेक क्या की, क्या करना चाहिए था उसको. इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो क्या रिजल्ट क्या आता था. तो वैल्यू इन पीपीएफ एज ऑफ टुडे इज 42 लाख. तभी मैंने उसको बताया दैट जो LIC में आपने 1,20,000 डाल रहे हो उसकी जगह पे एक टर्म प्लान 1 करोड़ का ले लेते विच कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 14,000 to 15,000 rupees per annum. And the balance amount you put in your equity. Okay. अब बाकी का अमाउंट इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड में आप डालते आफ्टर 20 years हमको सिर्फ 12% रिटर्न आया रहता है. Then the picture would have been 73 lakhs. अगर 15% का रिटर्न आता था तो then the return would have 1 crore. and at the rate of 18%, 1.46 lakh, 1.46 crores. If you see the difference, 42 lakhs and 1.46 crores, it's huge. लेकिन कुछ डिसीजन स्टार्ट के करियर में लेते हुए 20 साल के बाद आप रियलाइज करते हो कि ये मेरी मिस्टेक हो गई, तो उसकी बहुत भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ती। डू यू ऑल एग्री विथ मी? यस। दिस इज व्हाट पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग, एंड दिस कैन ओनली बी डन विथ इक्विटी। नो अदर एसेट क्लास कैन गिव। दवे साहब ने बताया कितना है, 34 years from 79 to 2014, 100 become 27,000, 16.79%, right? Then why most people are scared of equity?
Yes.
Risk, right? Because of volatility. But some facts of equity, ये जरा ध्यान से देखते हैं। 79-80 to 2013-14, उन्होंने बताया 100 is now 27,000. But if you break it into 10 years, it has increased 6 times in each 10 years period. 79-80, 100, in 89-90, 600. 6 times, 89-90, 600 to 99. 2000, 3,600, 99, 2000, 3,600 to 18,000, and 2009, 2010, 18,000. 1920 में क्या हो सकता है? 6 times of this, then 1 lakh. हो रहा है बिलीव? नहीं हो रहा है? नहीं होगा? How many of you believe that ये नहीं हो सकता है? Can you raise your hand? कि इतना नहीं हो सकता है, 1920 में नहीं हो सकता है इतना। Let's see. हाँ, इम्पॉसिबल कितने लोगों को लग रहा है? इम्पॉसिबल। Let us see. My phone number and email ID is there. Fine. So we have seen why asset allocation, because of economies and business cycle. Why equity? Because of power of compounding. And now most important, why financial planning? क्यों करना चाहिए? Anyone? Achieve long-term goals. What is that goal? Long-term goal. You're right, but what is that goal? Buy a house or marriage. Fine, let us see. आप अभी career start करने जा रहे हो. You're going to start your career. So first will be what? Maybe marriage. No? हाँ? Study loan पहले खत्म करोगे. Yeah, study loan. अच्छा, why? How many students have study loan? What is the reason behind it?
Huge fees.
Not huge fees. No.
Low family income.
You are correct. No financial planning has been done by parents. That's why you are. है ना? But now you know Modi government is there, and if you follow your parents, your kids will going to ask you. They didn't, I agree with you.
I will be increasing the fees.
I agree with you. लेकिन अभी सिर्फ यार कितने लोग अभी भी पिताजी को फॉलो करेंगे वो बता दो. How many of you follow your father? है ना? मेरा बच्चा है ना? Fine. See, we have a working life of from 20. You will start earning at the age of what? 25.
25.
And working life of what? 35 years up to 60. बाद में तो गवर्नमेंट निकालती है. आप बिजनेस करोगे तो 4-5 साल और निकल जाएगा, राइट? So only 35 to 40 years are there in our hand, and in that 35 to 40 years, there are a lot of things you all have to do. Number one, marriage, maybe buying a house. Second, third, having a kid. Fourth, their education, their marriage. 5. Then, ये तो पक्का हो गया. और 6th one, your retirement. 60 से 80 तक. अभी तो 80 तक बोल सकते हो ना, 80 तक जिंदा रहोगे. भले 40 से आप गोली खाना चालू कर दोगे, टेबलेट चालू हो जाएगा 40 से, but you will live up to 80. So provision of next 20 years where there will be no income but only consumption, right? So do you think that it all requires planning? So we have seen why asset allocation, we have seen why equity, and we have seen why financial planning. Now apart from that, your goal, there are dreams also, right? Buying a bigger house, buying a car, or going for a world tour. That is a dream also. ये सब करने के लिए बस ऐसे ही तो नहीं हो जाएगा. You have to do financial planning. And now, one more thing about financial freedom. What is financial freedom? Anyone? What is financial freedom?
Having enough income to support all the expenses without having to work.
Very good. I think we need to give a clap. So financial freedom, the work which I would like to do most, that has to be done after a certain period of time. So not working for other people. Go for your passion. 3 Idiots wala, Rancho, right? We all are a part of consumption story already. Are you all agree with me? कैसे? हम लोग ऑलरेडी कंजम्पशन स्टोरी में तो है. How? Our life start, or maybe our day start at what time? 6:30, right? फिर क्या करते? सुबह उठ के मोबाइल हाथ में लेते, है ना? मोबाइल एंड चेक व्हाट्सएप एंड ईमेल. बट वो मोबाइल जो है, आइदर इट इज आईफोन और सैमसंग, तो 2 ब्रांड यहाँ पे आ गई, राइट? देन यू गो टू द वॉशरूम, हैव योर ब्रश. पेस्ट में which 2 brands come? Colgate, Pepsodent, right? After that, you have a shave, so shaving cream, Gillette, Blade, shaving cream. You come to your breakfast. Now तो हेल्थ के लिए बहुत क्या लेते हो? Kellogg's, right? फिर आपने बात ले लिया. बात के बाद आप ब्लेजर पहनोगे. Which company? Trousers?
Arrow,
yeah.
Raymond,
And female? Which brand?
Peter England.
If you see during the day, we use more than 50 brands. Are you all agree with me? Yes. So consumption story, we are already there.
लैपटॉप सब चेंज कर
but at the same time, are we in their growth story? Answer is no. हम वही कंपनी में कभी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते. I'll give you one example, a small example. If I think Scorpio car, what is the cost of Scorpio? 12 lakhs, 12 to 15, and in which year it is come? 2004. Fine, suppose it is 2004, right? And we have invested, or maybe we have purchased Scorpio by paying 15 lakhs of rupees. On the same day, if we would have invested 15 lakhs into Mahindra & Mahindra, what should be the value today? And first of all, what will be the value as of today of car? 15 लाख का आज कार का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? 1 लाख. कार आएगा? डाउटफुल है 10 साल के बाद कार आना. हाँ, बट शेयर्स का वैल्यू मे बी it runs into crores. You all agree with me? Yes. तो अभी मुझे बताओ, जो स्लोगन है अच्छे दिन, तो अच्छे दिन आएंगे कैसे? हम कंजम्पशन स्टोरी में तो है, but if still we are not buying or maybe investing any amount into equity, अच्छे दिन तो आने वाले नहीं है, right? So there are only two ways to become rich. Either by doing some business which is in India's growth story, like infrastructure, power, telecom, or investing into good quality script, or by way of mutual fund, because then direct equity is, our friend Mr. Gave show you all charts, how much it risks. You can dilute your risk by investing into mutual funds. Thanks. Thank you very much.